We've been in the suspension business for 10 years. We bring to the table two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive lift, lowering, and leveling kits that are manufactured in-house right here in Anaheim.
We care about making our kits easy to install because I've been there. When you're in the middle of an install and things go south, it's very frustrating. R&D for us is addressing customers' needs.
Our kits are designed, most importantly, to ride like factory OEM.
It's our goal to get the kits exactly right. We want them to fit right, we want them to ride correctly. We want the install to go smooth, to be easy, and you to make money selling, installing, and driving our kits.
Two of the best things that MaxTrac does is we always have the kits that people want, and we always have it in stock. When our customer calls us up and asks us if we have it in stock, we do.
If you want to lift your current Ram 2500, or if you want to lower your 93 GM 1500, we have options for both of those and everything in between. We're unique in the fact that we offer 3 different types of suspension modifications. When shops call us up, they have the option of addressing 3 different types of customers with one phone call.
Our quality and our customer service are second to none. I get to see these customers and they tell me how wonderful our kits install, how they fit, how the finish is. It's great when you get to hear that from your customers that they never have a problem.
We don't stop the R&D process here at MaxTrac until we've fully tested that kit and tested that kit and tested that kit.
If there's any issues that arise, I make sure that I address it while I work on the truck so the customer doesn't have to when they're doing the install.
Really, as a company, who we are is price point, customer service, and quality. And that's what we're driven by.